a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see.
Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Meli. The name of my channel is Meli Love Decor. We are back with another series for fall. This time we will be decorating my master bedroom for the fall season. We're gonna be giving it a touch of fall. So guys, everything as I've always mentioned, I do everything off camera when it comes to cleaning so that the video is not as long, so everything has been wiped down. So we're going to be styling this master bedroom today. Guys, please, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please don't forget to leave me a comment below and let me know how you like the video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for your love and support. Now let's get to a good part and let's start decorating. Over on this shelf, guys, I'm just adding some of my wedding pictures. I actually picked up this shelf at a consignment shop. I absolutely love it. It's super heavy, very good material, and I believe this shelf here on Wayfair is like super expensive, and I picked it up at like a consignment, and I think I paid $100 for it, or maybe $50. I can't remember. It was a couple of years ago. Over on my nightstand, I'm just adding some of the same pieces that I used during the spring season. I'm just changing the floral arrangement and adding this beautiful mustard flower pick that I picked up from Michael's a couple of years ago. Adding my coasters from when I'm drinking my tea or having my water at night before bed. These beautiful pumpkin, mustard colored pumpkin. I bought them at Aldi's, I believe last year or maybe the year before. And also these candles, I picked it up this year at Aldi's. It came in a set of 3 for $9.99. Guys, I love Aldi's. Don't sleep on Aldi's. They have some cute stuff from time to time. Over on the corner on the floor, I'm adding my big ginger jar. As you guys know, I love ginger jars, so I'm always collecting them. So I'm adding this beautiful floral arrangement that I picked up from Home Goods last year during the fall season. So I'm adding it to the ginger jar at the bottom on the corner of the nightstand. And I added my little pumpkin that I picked up from Burlington a couple of years ago. And over on the other side of the nightstand, which is my husband's side, it's going to be similar items to what I have on the other side. And you'll see that there in a minute as I style it. Again, adding this beautiful ginger jar that I picked up from, I can't remember, I think this one was from Temu. And the same pumpkin that I have on the other side, I also have it on his side. Picked it up from Aldi's. This candlestick, this beautiful candlesticks, I actually picked those up from someone, from like someone who was selling a home. It was like a stage home, and they were selling everything there because the house had sold. So I picked them up from a stage home. And over on that side to the bar cart that's in my bedroom, I'm just adding this nice bowl that I picked up from, I think, Marshall, and I added some pumpkins to it. I'm adding one of my Miami vase from Z Gallery. I added these floral picks that I picked up from Home Goods, I think, and the beautiful pumpkins. That white and gold pumpkin was also from Home Goods. Now over to my makeup station, I'm just adding my little mirror tray. It's a Lazy Susan, but it's all mirrored, and I'm adding this beautiful little clear glass that I picked up from Ross, and I love it because it's like in the shape of a pumpkin. And I added some yellow picks that I picked up, mustard colored yellow picks that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And in that little gold canister, I just add my jewelry, my rings, my watches. You know, when I take them off, I just put it in there. And over to my Credenza, I'm just adding this beautiful oval mirrored tray that I picked up from Burlington. I'm adding this beautiful floral arrangement. The picks, I can't remember where I picked up the picks from. I think it was Michael or maybe Kirkland's. The nice vase was from Burlington. I also love it because it's like in the shape of a pumpkin. And I'm going to be adding 2 mustard yellow candle that I picked up from Michael's. They were actually during spring season and I got them on clearance for like maybe $3 each. And over on this little corner here, which is my mirror, I just add this vase here with these little pampas grass that I picked up from Michael's last year, and I'm gonna be adding 2 pumpkins on top of those candlesticks. And I've had those candlesticks for a couple of years now. I think I got them from Home Goods a couple of years ago. I'm adding these 2 lanterns over on the side of the credenza. I just added some candles in there with some pumpkins and a couple of leaves, and that's it. And now over to my bed. I'm just fixing the bed and you guys can just watch me as I fix the bed. And guys, please don't forget again to leave a comment if you have a question. Maybe I forgot to mention why I purchased something. If you have a questions, please don't forget to leave them below. Please don't forget again to show your girl your support. Thank you guys. I'm almost there. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, and for me that's a great milestone. I had given myself a year to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I think it's gonna happen before the year is over. I started my YouTube journey Christmas of 2024, and I had said within a year I want to get to my 1,000 subscriber, and I think I will make that goal. So again, thank you to all my subscribers for your love and support, for all your beautiful comment. It means so much. I give props to anybody that does YouTube, because it is not easy cleaning, fixing your house, and recording at the same time, and also sitting there to do editing. So kudos to all my YouTubers out there for doing this. Showing, giving inspiration to people on how to style their home and whatever your niche is for YouTube. It's not an easy thing to do. So decorating, it's because I love it. It's a passion for me. It's a hobby. I love it. But for someone who doesn't like decorating, or doesn't like changing things around their house, that could be considered a chore and something difficult for them. So again, this is something I really enjoy. I love sharing my ideas, what I like with others. So hopefully this inspired someone today to also get on their fall decorating, and maybe give someone an idea on how to style their own bedroom. I'm not an interior designer, as I've always mentioned. This is just something I do for fun and I enjoy doing. And maybe one day I might do it professionally. Who knows? I don't know where the good Lord may take me with this. But for now, I'm just enjoying doing it, and I just enjoy sharing what makes me happy with others. And I hope, someone watching this today gets inspired and is happy to watch it. So guys, again, thank you for all your love and all of your support. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Now I'm adding my accent pillows to the bed. I've had those pillows for a couple of years. I picked them up at Bell's Outlet, and it's kind of like a gold and beige color with the specks of gold in there. That mustard color pillow cover, I picked it up from, I believe, Temu this year. And those over here, that pillow cover, I picked it up from the pumpkin, that sequin shape type pumpkin. I picked it up from the actual pillow cover. I picked it up from Temu last year. I didn't get to use it last year, so I decided to use it this year in my bedroom. And that one in the middle is from Amazon. I didn't like how the pillow looked there, the little small pillow, so I am going to change it at the end, and I'm going to put it on top of the throw, which I think looks better to me. And guys, it's easy. People might think, oh, all these pillows, do you sleep on this bed? Yes, we do, every night. My husband is trained. I'm trained. We just go, remove the pillows, the accent pillows, put them on top of that little bench at the end of the bed, remove the cover, and we're good to go, and we just go to sleep. So it's not difficult. And over on the bench, I'm just adding my accent pillow and these little decorative pumpkins. spray smells amazing. I picked it up from Bath and Body Works and it smells wonderful.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. Promise you that we learn through the wrongs and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. But I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. Promise you that we learn through the wrongs and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me.
Hello YouTube family, we have come to the end of the video. I really hope you did enjoy this decorate with me on how I style my master bedroom for the fall season of 2025. Please again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to put your notification bell on so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Again, thank you and have a blessed one. Until the next time.